What's up, you guys? Interceptor King here. This is my 2013 Dodge Charger with the 5.7 liter Hemi Pursuit package. It's got cruise control, it's got everything. Power driver seat, cruise control, Bluetooth, a vinyl cushion back seat. Most of these have rubber matted floors. This has carpet. It's the OEM mats. Okay, so this one, when I got it, I had it transported over to me from out of state. And when it got here, I had a check engine light on, and I revved it up and it was making a little clacking noise. So this thing, as of August 9th, just a couple days ago, this had brand new lifters, brand new camshaft, all new lifters, all of them are brand new, just a few days ago. Radiator fluid flushed, brand new oil, all new gaskets, brand new head bolts, engine rebuild. So it's got the 18-inch wheel covers over the steel cop rims, 370 factory horsepower, runs and drives perfect. It's got that cushion vinyl back seat. So there you go. 2013 with the engine rebuild. Runs and drives perfect. Absolutely no known mechanical issues whatsoever. Just got it out of the shop the other day. Hauls ass. I mean, all brand new lifters, so there you go. Driver's seatbelt unbuckled. Yep, it's true. I'm just pulling into my parking lot right here. I got shit to do today. So I got that, that's a 2010 Dodge Charger with the 5.7 liter Hemi. That thing's only $4,950 for that one. So there you go. This thing should last for a hell of a long time. It's got 108,442 miles on the odometer at the time of this recording, with probably 25 miles on it since the engine rebuild, which was, I just picked it up from the shop a couple days ago, took it home, washed it. Now I'm parking it over here at the car dealership. So push start, as long as you have the transmitter in your pocket. All you got to do is touch the handle out here. It's got an auto stick also, but anyways, touch the handle on the outside right here for it to lock. Touch the underneath side and it unlocks, as long as you have that transmitter in your pocket. It's got an auto stick where you can manually shift it up or down, or when it redlines it'll automatically shift for you, or you can just leave it in regular drive mode. Two-tone black and silver, that's the color it was when I got it. So there it is, engine rebuild, brand new lifters, camshaft, head bolts, all the gaskets are brand new. Brand new oil change, and all the coolant was flushed out and replaced with brand new coolant. It's like 20, well, when I left the house it was 23 degrees. I don't know, it's probably warmed up like a couple degrees since then, but as you can see, there's a bunch of ice on this thing. Here in Gilchrist, Oregon. I used to be in Snohomish, Washington for 13 years. Now I'm in Gilchrist, Oregon, Central Oregon, at 4,400 feet is the elevation here. So it gets cold at night early, and we'll have a cold winter out here. But anyways, if you want one of these, you can go to my website, interceptorking.com, for current inventory. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like us on Facebook. You guys have a great day. Interceptor King out. Bye.